Hey guys, first video in a long time. Had a lot of stuff going on at home. Take care of my mother, who has been dealing with some illness. So anyway, brighter note, we're out on Saratoga Lake. Gonna try to do a little ice fishing here, see if we can't get into something. So start setting this up. First tip up in. So here we go. Get this up, get this set, get our flag in here. All right, and we got our first tip up in. Great. All right. Here's our pop-up. So I start the hole with the drill. It makes it much easier than just trying to push this thing down into the ice and get it to lock in. It works good. Locks in tight. You don't have to worry about the wind picking up your tent. Hey guys, got the pop-up set up. I got the little stove going just barely to heat the place up, and boy, this sure beats the heck out of sitting out there in the wind. Once this thing is secured to the ice and you got no air coming through, makes a big difference. I got it here late in the day, wasn't feeling the best yesterday into this morning, so see if we can't catch something. If not, no big deal. It's still another beautiful day outside, beautiful day on the lake. So ice looks to be about 8, 9, maybe 10 inches deep in some spots, so safe as can be, no issues here. Now all we need is the flag to pop. So wish me luck. Okay, it's time to check the lines. Make sure we got the bait is live on there, and the hole hasn't closed up with ice. So I'll go out here, give it a quick check. All we do is pull it up. As you can see, the ice closes in on it. Get that ice out of there. Pull up our bait. Make sure he's still kicking down there. Yeah, he's still going. I'm gonna let him go back down. I'll just do that for every hole here. Might adjust depth a little bit, see if we can't get one since we haven't had a hit on this. Okay guys, we're a little over an hour in. Not a single bite so far. I'm just sitting here jigging, seeing if I can't stir something up. But no luck so far. We'll see how it goes. I tell you, this is my first time really setting up this tent and using this tiny little one burner butane stove here to keep it warm. It is awesome. I mean, when I was younger, I used to like just sitting on a bucket. I'd have the wind, you know, cutting right through you, feeling miserable, but something about that is kind of neat too when you're younger. Now it just, I kind of enjoy the outdoors, but a little more comfort doesn't hurt. And these little butane gas cylinders, they cost almost nothing. I think it equals out to like $1 something a piece. So keeps you nice and warm, allows me to do some fishing. So, works out good. And this little tent I got on sale at the end of last year. I paid under $150 for it. It's fairly heavy duty. It's a Eskimo tent. Sets up real quick. So far I give that an A+ too. If you notice my little jigging rod, it's not a real rod. It's actually, I melted the tip on this, put a hole in it, and just I used it as my jigging rod. Everything on a budget, you know. Okay, so still no luck. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go, you know, bare in the cold. I'm gonna pull one of my tip ups and try jigging out of one of those holes. I'll put the tip up inside here, so at least it's still working while I'm jigging out there. We'll see what happens. Hopefully get something. It's getting towards the end of the day, so I've got another almost an hour left of fishing. Kind of the worst time you can fish is like 10 to 2, and that's my free time today with not feeling well this morning. And I have to get home to get my boy off the bus, so this is about the amount of time I can fish. So if we don't get anything, no big deal. I did have what felt like a bite on the jig, and my my minnow was missing, so better than nothing. So I'm outside at one of the holes jigging. The temp has dropped pretty good. There's a good strong wind now, and it's pretty miserable out. So I usually like to go further north. Saratoga Lake is highly populated. You get a ton of people fishing it. As you can hear, there's even construction going around out here, so it really does kind of take away from that peace and tranquility that you get from being out on a frozen lake. Like I said, this was kind of an impromptu fishing trip. Just happened that I was off, had a 4-hour window. I figured why not give it a shot. But I mean, as you can see, I don't know if you can hear the wind, but it's blowing pretty good, and there's a little bit of sleet, snow coming down too. So with my job, I'll be most likely called in tonight to plow the roads. So wintertime, that's why I don't put out a lot of videos either. I'm on call and I can't get away too out of the cabin or do a lot of the things I love in the winter. For about 5 months, the state owns us. So, you know, do the best you can, and when you got a chance, get out and enjoy the outdoors. But I'm gonna keep trying. Got another half hour or so left of fishing. All right, we had some luck. We just got our first perch. Yeah, buddy. Nice perch. Beautiful. That makes the whole trip that much better. We got another one. We got a slobber. Look at her. Look at the size of that bad boy. Wow. Just huge, good eating. Beautiful. Man. Didn't get anything all morning, all of a sudden we're just hammering them. Holy mackerel, another one. This one is a slobber. What a monster. This is great. So, still out here jigging in the cold. Haven't gotten into anything else. We had that nice quick stretch perch. After that, nothing, but that's great. We got couple like slammers from perch, and that's about it. So I'm gonna try a little bit more, and then I gotta pack everything up, head home. But awesome day. Just wanted to show you the snowstorm blowing in. Over there you could see before all the other ice fishermen and their shanties. Now you can barely see anything. That snow's coming down heavier, and oh yeah, welcome to the Adirondacks. It's cold. That wind is cold, but what a great day fishing. I mean, I had, like I said, 4 hours. Not a huge haul, but one nice perch and 2 slammers. So that'll be awesome for the fry pan. It's another great day. Thanks guys for watching. Really appreciate it. Take care, be safe.